Usim buat Menteri Rambaga Jala ubade khmi ke Tnat ki kampo yeng polis ibat Prestone tensong hiningas ngi ila ther kala yu no yalam jagat seng TMC badu Menteri Rambaga Jala ubarim u Dr. Mukul sangma Halor ka Jingkynnoh pen rem ye ke Tnat Pulit da ka baong baki Pulit ki de ki atiar jong ki riudan bor ki seng sain perthei iba Prestone ila ong baga sarkar bat ki Pulit ki don ban shakri bat ban yadai ki pajba jong ka Jala.
I think Dr. Mukul Sangma himself, he has been in the chair as Chief Minister for more than 7 years, maybe 8 years. I think when he talked that way, is he trying to say that time when he was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, he uses all the officers in the police department for his own interest? If that is so, it is so unfortunate. But let me tell you very frankly that as government we are here, be it Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, or be it anybody. We are here not to protect for ourselves, but we are here to protect the citizens of the state.